The 2019 Chevrolet Colorado is the average-size pickup section's handyman, an adroitly estimated truck with proficient and incredible motor decisions, an agreeable day-by-day driver, and even a rough-terrain genius. The 2019 Colorado Go ranges a wide assortment of requirements, and that is the reason we've appraised it 6.0 out of 10 by and large. As befits a little truck, the driving position is upstanding and the controls are uncomplicated. Indeed, even as a group taxi, the Colorado supports the front seat, the back seat is confined and difficult to access, and the aids are just accessible as an alternative. Expansive entryway columns make some tricky sight lines. Are you officially known about the Chevrolet Colorado ZR2? A littler option in contrast to the fast desert-pounding Ford F-150 Raptor, it includes a bunch of incredible rough terrain includes and propelled suspension tech ideal for bombarding down your closest desert flatland.